Today I'm going to talk about Metaforce. You probably heard the word somewhere, or maybe you saw posters or pictures of Metaforce all over social media, and people around the world are excited about this project. So my name is Lindy Sherries, and if you're joining me for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel because I do post gems. Especially in the next few days, I'll be posting gems when it comes to Metaforce. My mission with this video is just to show you the differences between Metaforce and Forsage and what changed, what's better, why the previous one didn't work, why this one might work, and then other things that you didn't know or maybe you didn't even understand. I am going to break everything down. And I'm also going to give you a strategy on how to grow and actually make millions. Do I believe in this project? Yes, I do believe in this project, and I do believe that I can make $1 million before December if everything goes according to plan. That is if Metaforce continue to operate, because I've done this business before, so I know it does work, and it did change a lot of people's lives. They became millionaires in a short period of time. So let's just start with the developer. So the name of the person who's responsible for Metaforce is Lado Okognivok. I hope I pronounced the surname right. So this developer, he actually created Forsage before together with other developers, but then it didn't work, and the reason why it didn't work is because of Ethereum gas fees. So while we were excited building our businesses, and at that time I joined later, I think 6 months after the launch. So those who joined this business early, at that time they were already millionaires. So the reason why I'm excited now to join is because I am starting from ground zero with everyone, and then I am going to make money if everything goes according to plan. So now to join Forsage, I think it was between $5 and $10 around that time. We were using Ethereum to join Forsage. So every time when you joined, you had to pay Ethereum gas fees, and then those fees started as little as R1, R2, and then it got to a point when the Ethereum gas fees went to over $50, some even $100. Even though Forsage was operating and everything was going well, but then Ethereum gas fees had to make the project stop because people couldn't now join using $100, $200. It didn't make sense for people to join. So that's how the previous Forsage died. So at that time, the developers decided that they're going to move Forsage from ERC20 blockchain into Binance blockchain. They did that, but then it didn't work as successful as before, and then eventually it stopped because people didn't trust anymore about these gas fees. And at that time, Lado suggested that they should stop the whole thing, go and build an ecosystem where it will do even more than Forsage. But those guys refused, and they decided to move from one blockchain to the other. And the reason why they chose Binance is because the fees there are always cheap, and it is a stable coin. It doesn't fluctuate where sometimes it's 1,000, sometimes it's 20,000. BUSD, it is pegged as a US dollar, so it doesn't fluctuate more. So if you say $1, it's 14 Rand, it remains around that value. So that's why they chose BUSD. So then Lado from 2020 decided to go build his own ecosystem, and that's what he's been doing up until now. So what is going to be launched on the 1st of August, it is Metaforce Classic. So there are two programs. One is Metaforce Classic, and the second one is Metaforce. So for now, I do have a video that will explain the marketing plan when it comes to Metaforce Classic. You can watch that video to understand more. Moving on. Let's talk about this ecosystem that he's planning to build. So now it is no longer about network marketing where you invite people and then you make money from that. That's one part of this ecosystem. There is a coin which is called Metaforce Coin, which will be launched as an IDO in Binance. And then from there, that coin will be the coin that we're going to use in this ecosystem. And this ecosystem also consists of trading. So for those who are trading, they will also be involved in that, and it also includes NFT. So if you do not know what is an NFT, I do have a video that explains and show you what is NFT. And also it does have an academy, so we will be having courses that are free, and also we can buy some courses, and we will be allowed to also go sell some of these courses and make money from it. I know most people are actually focusing on the network marketing side, but there is more that is going to happen. So for now, we are going to make money with network marketing, which is the first part, and all these other components will be launched as and when we continue. The developer also promised that he will go to different countries so that people can connect their face and him, and also to assist those who are building teams that are very successful. So the next question is, how do you join? To join MetaForce, you do need to download a crypto wallet called Trust Wallet. You can get it from your phone app store, and after, you do need to add BUSD, because that coin is not added automatically. You have to add it manually, and I do have these videos on my YouTube channel. Then you have to load money, like buy money in your crypto wallet. Then you'll be ready to register when they launch on the 1st of June. Please note that BUSD doesn't work alone. So every time you use BUSD, you have to pay fees, and those fees come from BNB. So do load some BNBs, even if it's just $1 or $2, so that the fees can come from there. And those fees are less, and they remain the same all the time. So let's move on. Let's talk to those who do not want to invite people to the business. You do want to join, but you do not want to invite people into this business. So from history, what I've learned and what we used to tell people is that you have to join and then open slots, and then those slots you will get money from spillovers. And those spillovers, it's like the system does sometimes allocate certain people into your metrics, and this is not guaranteed. It does happen. Sometimes it might take time for you to make money. So be careful when you join, because if you're not going to work, you won't see results faster. And for those who are joining and are planning to work, it is recommended that you join and open 5 slots. So when you open 5 slots, you'll be given a chance to change your name, because now when you join, you're given a random number or a random character. So before, we used to get numbers, but now we are getting characters. So with those characters, if you join and open 5 slots, you'll be able to change those characters to a name that is easily identified. So your referral link will have your name. Let's just talk about the differences. The first one was obviously using Ethereum, and the gas fees were high. And now we are using BUSD, which is a stable coin, and the fees are very low. The second difference, which is a major one, is, remember the first ID. So in Forsage, you would have like different IDs, but then the very first one at the top, which was ID 1. This ID was created by the developers to get money from us. So every time when we cycle or do reactivation, the money would actually go to them, and they benefited the most. So Lado decided to change that. So now what Lado changed is, whenever we do the cycle or reactivation, the money doesn't go to that ID. It actually goes to a product fund. So this product fund is money that is going to be used to benefit us. Are we going to make money on MetaForce? My honest truth and review based on what I've learned so far when it comes to crypto is, we are going to make money. And we're not only going to make money on network marketing, we are also going to make money on the coin. We are also going to make money on NFT. If you are a trading person, you are also going to make money on that. And also on Metaverse, they are creating a virtual world where people can just log in as an avatar and go and buy different things using this coin. So it looks like this coin is going to be famous, and it is going to grow fast. So we're not only going to make money when it comes to network marketing, we are also going to make money when it comes to coin. So that's why you need to subscribe to this channel, so that I can tell you when to buy the coin as soon as I see it on the launch pad. So we are going to make money. That is if everything goes well. For as long as MetaForce operates, we are going to be millionaires. And I've seen people making millions in just 3 months. As long as you hit the road, build your team, get people in your team, and then assist them to grow, we are going to make money. Someone from my group actually asked me, what's the strategy for my team? Guys, I do have a strategy. First thing first is to make sure that I share the information as truthful and honest as I can. Make sure that I assist people to get registered as soon as I can, because the more people get registered, the more all of us as a team are going to benefit. So you do need to watch the marketing plan so that you can understand how we all going to benefit. I did create flyers to assist everyone who joins under my team, so that you just change your picture, you add your number, you add your ID, and just post on social media. You can even add ads so that you can promote your business. And then as well, I'm trying to get people from my team to also build and create their team as well, so that when the launch comes, they can also benefit the most. So how this thing works, and also if you are in a team that is very active and are working, and you have an upliner that is working, is we all benefit. So for each and every time you get a spillover, you actually get money paid into your wallet address, and all of this is happening instantly. So whenever you get a referral, whenever you get a spillover, whenever you get money from MetaForce, the money goes to your wallet address immediately. So I already identified 4 teams in my group: India, Uganda, South Africa, Nigeria, and also Botswana. I do have someone from Botswana. So all these people who are going to join in my team, I am going to assist them, and I plan, as soon as I start making money, I plan to go to these different places in South Africa, all the provinces and different places, and also outside South Africa, so that I can assist my team members to build. So the sooner we work, guys, and the sooner we make money, we'll be able to travel and go assist our team members, because the more I help you guys to achieve your goals, I also benefit from that. So that's my strategy when it comes to my team. I will update you if I add more. So if you want to join my team, I do have 2 groups, one on Telegram and one on WhatsApp, and from there you will get information quicker, because sometimes I do not record the video fast enough to share information. So you can join our group, and you can find these groups on this video description. That's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also comment. Thank you so much for watching.